When to raise the hands, Shaik? You have one of three. Either before saying Allahu Akbar, or during it, or after it. Can you explain?
Yeah, sure.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. It can be raised before, during, or after. This is confirmed sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. So, we move on. When I say Allahu Akbar, raise my hands, the sunnah is to put the right hand over the left hand on the chest, as per the hadith of Wa'il ibn Hujr, may Allah be pleased with him. And this was a confirmed sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ to place the right hand over the left on the chest. Well, the chest itself is an issue of dispute, because some authenticate the hadith, some don't. And those who don't differ whether to put it on the belly or to put it underneath the belly. But the most authentic is to put it on the chest.